Hello guys, you tablet Alldocube iPlay 30. This version 4GB Intel memory, 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory in the black color. Look completion for tablet. Okay. In completion we have only adapter for charging. This is USB Type-C cable. On this we have adapter for charging and key for SIM slot. Okay. Now talk about tablet. We have 10.5 inch display, middle body with plastic, main camera on the back side, on this side power key and volume keys, downside USB Type-C port and speakers, upside headphones jack and microphone. Okay. Turn on display, full HD display, IPS. Okay. Android 10, Open Geekbench 5 talk about system information, MediaTek Helio P60. This octa-core processor, CPU speed 2 GHz, octa-core processor, GPU Mali G72. Look results, single-core score results and multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Okay, good result. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results, okay, and run the Mali game with us and let's look how this game works on the device. SIM slot we have for LTE, and we have slot for micro SD card for memory. Okay, game works very good on the max graphic level. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.